look at them, look at the rivers, and you'll see that really there's not a lot of rivers in this country, given how big it is. And some rivers that you see on the map don't flow unless it's raining or flooding. Some rivers don't really go anywhere or do anything, they just sort of sit there. So really not a lot of rivers in this country. Heading everyone to the Chocolate Gallery and then to Echo Point, Three Sisters, and to you friends that are getting off at the Honeymoon Lookout. The Honeymoon Lookout walk from 15 back to 14 is very popular, but there's a little bit of work that they're doing on the end of that walk at the moment. They're repairing it. So when you do the hike from 15 back to 14, I'll have to just talk to you and explain, you know, which way to go. But yeah, you should enjoy it. The last time I came around here, everyone, I was talking to some people about snakes, and people were asking me about snakes.